So I'm just looking at the Euro USD chart. I've started from the hour, just looking at the overall trend, and we're in a bullish trend at the moment, as you can see here, clearly going up. Take my indicator off and forget that, because that was a winning trade that I had early on. We don't need that. So yeah, so I've just done a trend line here. It's respecting my trend line. I'm looking at this candle here, but we need to go lower down in the time frame. Okay, and again, it's come down, it's respected this trend line again. I want to see ideally a nice bounce off this trend line. It's either going to break through, obviously, or come off, but it's above the 50 moving average. It's holding on my trend line, so we go down to the 5 minutes. And what have we got? We've got some nice indecision reversing candle. Price volume. But for me to make a buy trade, I need it to break nice and clean over my trend line, obviously, and over the 50 moving average. So we're looking at either this kind of area to take a buy, nice clean breakthrough, or we're looking at breakthrough to the downside, a possible retracement, and then shoot down. So we're looking at kind of this area, and a shoot down this way.
I'm listening.
But we'll probably just pause the video and see what this wants to do. We've got just over a minute left for the next candle. I need to see a nice engulfing candle going upwards, because we've got some doji candles here. Be nice to see a push up, follow the trend, the overall trend, which we saw. Now we can have a look at a bigger chart. I normally start off on the daily charts, doing my support and resistance zones. Very messy at the moment, but see, I mean, we're in a downward trend. That's the problem on the daily. Just see how this plays out. Pause the video and we'll see which way this goes. So just as I paused it, when that candle closed, it was a downward, so it broke through, broke the trend line. We've got an overall daily bearish trend, so if we get a little bit of a retracement, that's fine. We want to be looking at this support zone here. So this might go this way, and then this way. That makes sense? Or it might just come straight down, but I don't mind taking any kind of profits from anywhere here down to here, 6-7 pips. again. We'll just sit and wait for the next candle to open. Just pause it. So come back to the Euro USD. It's come down and it's retraced up as predicted here, but it's not bounced back down, or it hasn't yet. It's broken at the moment anyway, this trend line. So when it closes in 14 seconds, if this is a nice bullish candle, I'll go in with another buy, because Tradera has just had a signal come out literally 3 minutes ago to buy Euro USD. So I'm going to go in again just so I know for my own kind of strategy. Same strategy, I believe, but just yeah, obviously this one placed later was my one. That's good. But yeah, so we got a nice clean break. So just going back to what I was saying, we're on the 5 minute, broke the trend line, broke the moving 50. It's either going to come down or retrace. It retraced but didn't bounce back. It bounced right the way through. As long as we got a clean break and we're above the 50, the moving 50, it's a buy, which I did predict earlier. I like to get a confluence, a confirmation of a couple of things from the daily to the hourly to the 15 to the 5 minute. That's how I play out my strategy. We're all different. So I'll just turn off my cooker. I'm just cooking some soup. 2 seconds. And what are we looking for? We're looking at 20 pips. I got in about here. Where did I get in on my manual trade, as in my trade? 09036, 09036, 09036. I got in there. So we just want stick it up there somewhere. Okay, let's just go down again. So we've got this resistance point here. 09036. So let's just go up there somewhere. 09146, 09146, 09146. Go to that, just below that high there, and we'll take profit on the other trade to a similar position. So that wins us 169, and this one here similar. It's a little bit delayed. At the moment we're on 8.4 already. We'll see how that pans out, but we're in 58 profit already with the 2 trades. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back to see how this is played out. But just really quickly explaining my strategy. It had broke the 50 on my trend line, but I didn't get in here and sell, look, which I could have done because it was a bit of a false breakout. It's retraced. It was either going to bounce off the 50 or the trend line and come back down, okay, but it broke cleanly through, so I waited because of this wick here for another nice solid candle here, and we've got this resistance here to overcome, but apart from that we've got another little bit of resistance here. But we've got a little bit of room to play, all going well. I actually just put one of my lines in. What was I on? 09024, 09024, 09024, 09024, 09024, 09024, about there. And we're looking at it going up. See if we get on with that. Okay, drop me a message down below if you want these signals or if you want this strategy. Great education in the back office. I mean, just nothing better. Live sessions, videos, face groups, the lot. Simple strategies taught to make you 20 pips and get out of the market. Simple as that. I've done it just a few times today. Boom, boom, boom. Only demoing, don't get me wrong. I'm still learning myself. Gonna go live, not another couple of days, put it that way, not too long. Okay, right, we will pause the video as I've got some dinner to be cooked. Speak soon. Oh yeah, I'm going to put my stop losses in, by the way. Let me just show you. Hang on, wrong button. Let me just show you. I've put my profit in, but we want to bring the stop loss down, probably just underneath this low here, and similar to that one. Okay, and you can work out your rewards to ratio, risk to reward, all in the back office. They teach you exactly how to do that. Okay, but today's been a nice day, winning trades every trade so far. Okay, speak soon, take care, please like my channel, subscribe, and we will see you soon. God bless.